Hey, y'all see something funny?
Oh!
Yeah. The head's already ruined. I mean, the only thing we could ruin at this point is the spark plug.
Here's mine. I think you might as well.
Started ATV Weld Head Fix, guys. Had that.
Woo! Shots fired. I think Orion did it wrong. Like, he hasn't JB welded a lot of spark plugs in his day. Day 2 of trying to fix the head on this Chinese ATV. We tried JB weld. We didn't let it cure. We blame JB weld. We're going to try some Teflon tape. You're going to want to use the red for this. Damn, bro. It needs that much. We got a 1/4 inch Teflon tape on it. Teflon tape.
It's like seeded.
So.
It went all the way.
I'm just going to go easy on her till I don't.
Oh,
Oh, she turns. Oh! Yeah.
because we have these that we tried a while back and I didn't have a good enough torch for.
It's a good little. Oh, that's too much. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, that smells tasty as hell. Let me start beating it up, boys. Throwing down them beads. So try number 3. That was cabbage. Head fixed the right way. And, you know, I broke down. I had to get this off a neighbor's bale of hay.
All right, try 4, fixing the head. But you know, we don't know what a head is. We're fixing the spark plug.
Yeah.
What's a head?
Yeah, that's all we got is this spark plug.
Thanks, Forley. You just ruined my my kids' Christmas. Straight up building it back better, boys. Hopefully that doesn't just start throwing sparks everywhere.
Yeah.
All right, guys, seriously this time. We finally fixed the head and the spark plug. And I'm pretty sure it's time to send it.
Figured we might as well do it the right way finally.
Yeah, and it probably won't shoot right out.
Yeah.
Damn.
This is going to work for sure, dog.
Sure.
The head bolt or something.
He's always trying to cut corners, you guys. you need to get some zip ties on that bad boy. We need to pull equally in every direction. Fixed it, dudes. You have to leave all the tails on.
Yeah. And on the exhaust.
We'll try and tighten the wire, and then we'll see where to add more zip ties.
Should we just go around the head?
Just do as many as you want, bro. The more zip ties, the better. Straight up, guys. This is how we got it. So, just want to say that first. Now tighten your wire up since it's got a little slack right here. Maybe. Little tuggaroo. I got plenty of zip ties, you guys. That's no thing.
Yeah.
All right, boys. Damn, it catches me off guard every time still somehow. That's
at least.
Bro, it bounced out like this far and went back in.
More zip ties.
So, yeah, we just get it tighter. Funny, dude. Yeah, we just gotta tighten her down a little more. I think we're good.
Zip ties, yeah.
More zip ties. I think we were really doing good there for a minute. Just wedge a piece and weld it from the exhaust to the... I got another idea, bro. Do we have a short piece of metal? Alright, guys, so we're seriously... The zip ties were a good start, not gonna lie. Now we're mashing it in with this piece. Need to put a custom bend on it.
Just weld that to the front.
Just zip tie it, bro. The steering stem, we got it on the steering.
It's on the air.
Try and start it. Tuck it behind that little shield and we're good. Got me! Alright. Oh, the plug wasn't even in straight. Try it, yeah. I think we fixed it, guys.
Yeah.
More compression. Bang, bang, skeet, skeet.
Yeah.
Just gotta have a good draw.
We got a CDI and a tail light hanging down there.
We just gotta pull off the. Now we just get a video of us undoing all this. Now we gotta change the spark plug. Which is it's a little bit more of a complex job. Just wedged it in there. Dude, we needed nothing besides that piece of metal. The only thing, just wedge it in there. Dude, we should get a stick and do it.
Yeah.
Like this piece of
Take
shit.
a picture of that and post on the cover.
The low ballers.
Yeah, I know what I got.
I want to thank them.
Yeah.
I'd like to take my jump starter for jump starting this piece of shit. One more step. Oh shit, 200 hands off. Pacer.
Oh, she lost compression.
Oh, guys, kind of chopped her up. CDI fell out. I'm crank her up. I got paid, so I bought some zip ties. Tried that. The rumor is you can get a head for these. All right, guys, y'all want to see fixed? Let's see the dials. I think that's fixed, guys. So basically what we got here, you got your wire. That's OEM. Y'all know that it works now. Y'all seen that I fixed it. No kill switch.
That's Honda wire.
No kill switch having ass? How's that possible all of a sudden?
Oh yeah. That happened, man. You never got it.
Can you choke it?
It dies every time.
Yeah, I know. We've never had to turn it off on.
Yeah.
It always turns off on its own.
It had automatic shut off.
It turns off real good. We got the OEM wire. Doubled it up. That's old trick. Yeah, then the Teflon tape on the plug. And then we got some zip ties after it. And we went in a couple different angles with that. And the final thing we finished with was we wedged this piece and we kind of dropped it in there and it got stuck.
That's me. I never seen that. Hot glued it.
Hot glued it, then we just zip tied down here. And now as y'all can see, I mean, it's pretty much fixed. As far as being fixed goes, it is.
Don't worry about that noise.
Got a little puff? No, that's the horsepower. Blowout valve.
Yeah.
All right, you want to ride it? No, it's like cheap. Smacks into this. Guys, I think I did mash that shock out. That tail light just won't give up, man. It's still on too. Bro, that tail light won't quit. It like still lit up, still working. That is a tough tail light, bro. Dude, I told you I broke the shock whenever I fucking chucked it. I don't know that the hot wire's dangling's any better. There you go. All right, dog, switch me up. Don't need no stinking front tire or nothing.
Got like no power.
Pitiful.
Oh.
What an animal. You just can't stop these engines.
Good old Honda. Wanna be Honda.
You can't stop them.
Should just like leave it out there running with the highest idle and just see how long it just sits there.
It's fixed, guys.
Oh, high centered.
Out like a monkey. Kind of teeter-tottered her there a little bit, boys. Yep, that's everything.
Oh, how'd you break?
Throttle fixed.
Nice shock.
Punched up her wheelie. Oh yeah. I bet it goes faster than mine. Reverse mode. What is that? Bro, no kill switch. High idle.
Well, spark pluggy won't quit. Cool.
Good for science.
Yeah.
Wind up a generator or something.
Smash the plug in there. Yeah. I'm glad y'all learned something. You gotta choke it right there. That's how you kill her. That's the kill switch down there on the curb. What's up, everybody? Merry Christmas. I'm actually out here in the shop going through some Christmas stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Me and Orion just goofing around, trying to get this thing to run so we could ride it for a video. And a lot of the different ways worked. Maybe comment another way that's worked for you in the past. With Teflon tape, electric tape, JB weld, some chicken wire, baling wire, then just zip ties. The metal plate worked the best. I mean, I should have known to go heavy duty and not skimp out on that. Hey guys, if you enjoy fishing or the outdoors, check out our new YouTube channel too, Tech Explorers. We're gonna post our first video on there very soon, and been having a lot of fun myself kayak fishing here for the past month. So you guys be sure and get up in there, see what we got. We got some good videos coming. We haven't posted one yet. But Tech Explorers, give us a follow, share, subscribe. Lots more coming, dudes. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.